A really short video today. It's been a few thousand miles since I last looked at the spark plugs, and I think I installed them about 2020 or so. So I thought I might buy a new set, but I thought it'd be worth just taking a look at them, seeing the condition. So which one's easiest to get to? I mean, none of them are really that easy, are they? I think that one down there, right at the back of the furthest away bank of the engine, yeah, I'm going to pull that one and we'll take a look at it, see what sort of condition it's in. I think they are NGK ones I fitted, so let's see. I don't know if you can make this out, but there's like a load of crud in there. I think that might be rust. There's a rusty bit and there's all that kind of white crud. I cleaned all this valley area out not that long ago. You can see it's kind of nice and clean and shiny down there. I don't know what all that stuff is. I mean, the rest of the engine bay is really clean. That's weird. It's sort of white stuff. I don't know what that is. Looks okay in there. Can't see any corrosion. I use this piece of rubber hose attached to my shop vac. It's kind of hoover down in there. That's coming out nicely, so let's just be extra careful pulling it out. Ugh. Oh, I think this is like a bit of leaf and things. Okay. Pretty gross though. Right, how does this look then? Let's come out to the natural light. I'm not really very good with spark plugs, I have to confess. Bit of white on the top. Let's get focused again. Second, let's focus my head torch. So yeah, electrode's a bit white. Bit of soot around it. I think that looks okay. Yeah. This is covered in crap, isn't it? It's got a bit rusty. I think I will replace these. Why not? They're something like £2 each, aren't they? Yeah, here's the general state of it. Look, a bit of rust there. Looks like a bit of a... Looks like water's maybe been sitting on it, which is weird. Look how rusty it's gone at the bottom there. Sorry, it's refusing to focus, but it was definitely nice and shiny when I put it in. What is the type of this? BR7EF. This is NGK. It's a tiny bit of discoloration there on the porcelain, but like I said, this hasn't been used for many miles. I think it's been about 1,500–2,000 miles. There's a bit of corrosion on the top there. Okay, right. I think we'll put it back in, and I think I'm going to replace them. But yeah, it's in much worse condition than I thought it'd be, I have to be honest. There's a lot of corrosion on there. And I don't really drive this car in the rain much. I mean, I've taken that in the rain a couple of times, but nothing loads. So look at the electrode again. So please pass on your thoughts. How does that electrode look to you? Is that normal for a HE engine? I think these are kind of a lean burn design, aren't they? The V12 HE. So maybe this is kind of, is this what a lean burn plug looks like? I don't think they run at a well, these European models, at least I don't think they run at cruise. That's a 14.7:1 air fuel ratio. I think they go a little bit higher. They run at a sort of a leaner mixture to give better fuel economy. So I'd be interested in your thoughts on how this looks. Please let me know below. Cheerio.